Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out in the Good Manager store. Now, I paid $1 for this one. The name of it is called IV watch face. Now, this is a nice look. I like the simplicity. It's going to be an energy saving watch face. It's geared toward fitness, and you get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, and when it's on, it's not bad at all. It gives you all your step information, your heart rate down at the bottom, get your digital time, your battery info. You're also going to get your date and the day of the week to the right. Up at the top, you're going to get distance, miles walked or ran. Also, you get your step info, and you're going to get floors climbed. And it is inactive, so if I tap on the battery, single tap, I can go right into it. Same thing with my alarm. And if I tap right up here in the center, I can go and set a favorite. I thought this was pretty cool for a watch face that only costs $1. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.